Just simply come onto this website, put in your email over here, then sign up for absolutely free, then follow this amazing method and start making hundreds of dollars all in passive income. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can get paid $310 today on this free website. This method is completely beginner friendly and you don't need any investment whatsoever to get it started. All that you need to do is simply follow me along step by step till the very end and not skip anything. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe. Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you to come on to useproof.com. So guys, when you come on to useproof.com, from over here you will be able to see their dashboard in front of you. So when you come on to their website from over here, you can basically see that you can boost your website's conversions by 15% in under 15 minutes. Now, what is UseProof? UseProof is basically a platform that basically promises business owners that they will get a lot more conversions for their website. Now, for example, let's say you have a course that you want to sell, or you have a website where you sell stuff. So like this website basically analyzes your whole website, tells you where you are lacking, and then gives you pointers on how you can improve on those particular points. And then once you do that, your website conversions increase and you get more sales, and thus you pay them a small amount like $20 or like $30 a month, and they continue to provide you their services, and then you end up making a lot more money. Now this is perfect for any business owner that has a website, and honestly nowadays every person has a website, so like honestly this is not going to be a problem whatsoever. Now scrolling down, some of the biggest brands who have been working with useproof.com, we have Bench, Founder, we have Oprah, we have so many more brands, and then we also have 25,000 plus online businesses who use useproof to convert visitors into leads and sales. The fastest way to convert visitors into leads and sales on your website is with social proof marketing, and that is why 25,000 plus businesses are using useproof at the moment. Now after that, we can even see some testimonials over here from people who have used useproof, and all of them have honestly nice things to say. So like literally anybody with a business can definitely use this particular tool, and honestly they will once they see the results. Now over here we can even see that they also give you a 14-day free trial to see how many conversions you can get. Now if you get a lot of conversions, well then obviously you will be able to get a lot more money. So like that is why this is very nice, because they also let you basically use useproof and then make money from that. So I'm gonna simply click on partners now, and once I click on partners, that is gonna take me over to their partner program. So over here, this is their partner program. Now you don't need anything whatsoever, like you don't need any qualification, anything like that whatsoever to use useproof, but you can get started quickly in just a few seconds. Firstly, you join their program. Secondly, you share the link. Thirdly, you get rewarded. After that, you can even start earning ASAP. So like how are you gonna earn money? Now whenever you refer this website, so like basically some businesses or help some businesses, what you can do is that you can simply make 30% of every sale made. So like for example, let's say you were to refer this website to an X business. Now if that X business makes like let's say 1,000 sales in 1 month, you will get 30% of all of those 1,000 sales that they made. So like for example, if they sold $10,000 worth of merchandise in the month of July, you will get a $3,000 for just the fact that you referred them onto their platform and they are using useproof and they are getting sales. So like that is why the referral marketing business is such a success nowadays, because they are just trying to make so much money that honestly nobody can say no to them. After that, you can even see how long the commissions last for, and then obviously the most important questions, how do I get paid? So at the end of each month, your rewards are calculated and available for cash out via PayPal or Stripe. Now this is very nice because that means you can literally cash out instantly within a few seconds, and that really makes a whole world of a difference. So after that, and now what I want you to do is click on join now, and then that is going to take you over to their sign up page. So like once you go over to their sign up page, from over here you can basically sign up by simply putting in your first name, last name, email, and also basically what do you do. Are you an influencer, agency, affiliate marketer, or if you're just trying to figure things out and stuff like that. Basically put in everything to the best of your knowledge, and then you will definitely get your referral link. Now once you have that link, congratulations, because now you have successfully completed step number 1. And now we're gonna quickly move on to step number 2. Step number 2. So in step number 2, I want you to come on to Google, and I want you to type in a business name in the search bar. So like, for example, I'm gonna type in basically photography course. Now I'm just typing this randomly because that is the business that is coming to my mind right now, but you can literally type in anything. You can type in stuff like, you know, dental business. You can type in stuff like, let's say, you know, cinemas, or like basically anything that can be used online. You can like type in Amazon and like, you know, target people who have Amazon FBA stores. So like honestly, the potential is limitless. You have to just think. So over here, once I type in photography course, I have all these courses come up. Now what you can do is that you can simply like, you know, open up a course, and then also like, for example, you can also open up this as well. So like, for example, I'm gonna open up Dentist California. Now once I do that, I have all these dentist businesses, or like all these dentist stores come up. Now the businesses at the top are obviously paying a lot of money to like, you know, get their name at the top. You don't want to target those, but the businesses at the bottom are the ones that you need to target. So I'm gonna basically open up a couple over here, and then also from the photography course, which you can do is that you can simply open up the course, and then after that wait for a couple of seconds, and then from over here what you can do is that you can simply grab the email of the person that made the course. You can mail them that like, hey, I can get you a lot more sales of your course. If you are interested, just let me know via email, and I will show you proof of how I can like actually be of value. So then what I want you to do is that I want you to activate your 14-day free trial, and then basically show results to clients. Like this particular client, you can show them results by simply putting in their website URL in their platform, and then getting them sales a lot more than usual, and they're definitely gonna trust you, and they will definitely use your referral link, and then also let you manage that account as well. So like basically they will give you a salary, you will make referral income, and all in all that is gonna be absolutely amazing. So like definitely, why not? This is a great business model for anybody starting out, and you can target as many businesses as you can. Like basically you have a list of opportunities over here, and you have hundreds of pages on Google. So like definitely give this a try, and let me know in the comments down below how it went. Because guys, like in times of COVID, when there is just so much going on, like people are literally losing everything that they had, every single thing. So for you to like go out and do these methods, try out these different applications, try out these different websites, is a really groundbreaking, because not only does it allow you to become a savior for your friends and family, because in these difficult times everybody needs a job, but also it helps you to like make a living for yourself and earn some additional money for yourself, so that you guys can also achieve your financial goals, whether that be buying a Lamborghini, whether that be buying your own motorcycle, whether that be helping someone else. It all depends upon you, but my job is to make sure you guys get resources, get ways to monetize your time online, because that is what we want ultimately, and that is our end goal from this channel. So guys, all in all, if you guys face any confusions, you guys know how you guys can reach out to me through the comment section down below, because I respond to all the comments who really want help, and I will guide you till the end, until and unless you guys understand every single thing. So guys, do not hesitate to reach out to me. And guys, one last thing is that make sure to watch out for different scams as well, because some of the applications, some of the websites that I talk about in this video are very curated. So like basically I go through everything myself, and I make sure that everything is secure. But if you go out on your own on the internet, well, there might be some people who might try to scam, and I don't like that. So make sure to pay close attention to only the websites that I talk about, and only the applications that I show you, not any other websites, because only then will you be able to fully achieve methods and be able to monetize your time properly without getting scammed anywhere. So guys, that is basically what I had to say for now. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and till next time, goodbye.